Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The basicity of aliphatic amines depends on two competing factors. 1. Inductive effect of alkyl groups, electron donating, increases electron density on N, increases basicity, and 2. Solvation effect in protic solvents. More NH bonds allow better hydrogen bonding stabilization of the conjugate acid, the ammonium ion. Moving on to the next step. In protic solvents for methylamines, the order of basicities, p kilobyte, is experimentally well established as Me2NH, 2 degrees, MeNH2, 1 degree, Me3N, 3 degrees, NH3. This arises because the 2 degrees amine benefits from 2 methyl groups, inductive effect, while still having 1 NH for solvation. The 3 degrees amine, Me3N, has 3 methyl groups but no NH for solvation, making its conjugate acid poorly solvated, so it falls below the 1 degree amine. This order is correct. Moving on to the next step. In protic solvents for ethylamines, the order is at 2NH, 2 degrees, at 3N, 3 degrees, at NH2, 1 degree, NH3. For ethyl groups, the larger inductive effect of ethyl compared to methyl means the 3 degrees triethylamine is sufficiently electron-rich to outweigh the solvation disadvantage relative to the 1 degree amine, placing it 3N above at NH2. This order is also experimentally known to be correct. And for the final step. In the gas phase, there is no solvation effect. Basicity is determined purely by the inductive electron donating effect of alkyl groups. More alkyl groups is equal to greater electron density on N is equal to stronger base. Therefore, the order is Me3N, 3 degrees, Me2NH, 2 degrees, MeNH2, 1 degree, NH3. This is correct. Since options A, B, and C are all individually correct statements about amine basicities under the specified conditions, option D, all are correct is the right answer. Why other options fail, A, B, and C, are not wrong individually, they are all correct, so choosing any single one of them would be incomplete. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.